Here we go. We have a question. Is linked list length even? So it's a basic level problem. You have given a linked list and your task is to complete the function is length even, which contains the head of a linked list, and check whether the length of a linked list is even or not. So we need to return true if it's even, otherwise false. So in the first example, the length is even, so we just need to return true. And in this, the length is not even, so we just need to return false. So it's a pretty simple problem. So let me directly jump into the coding section. So first of all, if we have a linked list value as null, means the linked list size is empty, so it's a even size because size is 0. So that's why I have a boolean variable is even and initially its value is true. Then we're gonna apply a for loop. First, the initialization step, we initialize current to head. Then we have condition. While current is not equal to null, then we have increment or take a step. Then what's the step? We will jump to the next node. Then on every node, we gonna change is even variable. If it's true initially, then it will become to false. Then if the value is false, it will convert into true. And at the end, we just need to return the value, whether the length is even or whether the length is odd. So it's a pretty simple two-liner code. So let me try to submit this. In between, let's talk about time and space complexity. In this function, the time complexity is order of n and space complexity is constant. And the code is given in the description box. If you guys have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and we have successfully solved this question by meeting expected time and space complexity. And thank you all for watching.